All right, guys. So what we're looking at today is pretty interesting. So this, in my opinion, is the worst two radios for audio in amateur radio in 2026. Now, these two radios are A, cheap, and B, will get you on the air. But the audio on them is just completely, for lack of a better word, garbage. Now, I'm pretty sure I have this tuned to the YL system where there are no YLs. But we're just going to click back and forth so we can hear the audio of who's talking and what's going on.
All right, very good, very good.
So right now you hear this on the Xiegu G106. That's a S7 signal right there. It's a strong signal, good audio, but it's not very clear, very muffled. Now we'll listen to it on the USDX. This is on the same antenna. So I'm assuming the guy who's talking, there he is.
You're welcome, my friend. My pleasure. My pleasure. Very good, Gary. Very good. We'll say 7-3 to KD9. Victor, Charlie, Lima, Gary there.
How you like that? That's the same guy talking. So this radio is about $200, $250. This radio up top is $80. This is the difference in super cheap radios and just poor audio quality. I'm going to set this up where you can hear this net on the 7300 and see what it sounds like on a full scale, full size 100 watt radio. Well, they just turned it over back to normal amateur radio operation. But in my opinion, these radios have the absolute worst audio. 73 guys, if you're looking for cheap options, get these, but you're not going to get super great performance, but I don't want to stop you from getting either one of these. If you're looking for something less than $100, right here. If you're looking for something $300 and below, right here, this is what you want. Xiegu G106 and the USDX SDR QRP HF transceiver audio comparison. 73 guys.